Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at Apple on the daily and weekly time frame, and some pretty disappointing follow through by the bulls. We did break the high of the day early on, the high of Friday that is, but obviously the bulls unable to hold those gains, so we're heading back and looking back down at key support 91.84. We bounced off of 91.85 on Friday. Very clear $92 support. I'll point it out on the weekly in a second. And you can see a downtrend resistance line right here on the gap down. Bulls need to close above that level. The 10-day moving average resistance is dropping very rapidly as well. That will be a key resistance test. And I would anticipate we see a battle between 91.84 support and that 10-day moving average resistance on Wednesday or Thursday. I would anticipate tomorrow we head back down to the lower $92 range before we find support and trade fairly sideways as we wait for that 10-day moving average resistance to drop down. So that's just a little bit of a gut indication as to what we're looking at setting up. On the weekly time frame, look at this key $92 support heading back for the past 10 months. And right here, bouncing off of it in August, January, February, April, and May. So if we close this week below 92, that is a big time bearish development. And bulls obviously need to see some momentum to the upside to establish confidence in a bounce off of that double bottom at 91.84. So those are my thoughts on where we're headed this week. Potential for a bearish entry, but keep in mind the RSI is still at 25. So even if we did see $92 support break, if the RSI is already 25, I wouldn't anticipate a huge move to the downside because we are already oversold and the bears have pushed themselves pretty significantly the past 4 weeks. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. Key support is very clear. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.